Alright, so today we have the rim and tire cleaner dust removal kit VAC106. The kit itself includes 2 microfiber cloth, 1 brush, and the solution and the nozzle itself. At the back of the box is 4 simple instructions for you to follow. Before you start, you want to shake the bottle really well before you open it. And after that, you just attach the nozzle directly onto the top. Alright, so after you attach the nozzle and you shake the bottle, all you gotta do is just spray this directly onto the tire and the rims. And also with the nozzle, you can adjust how you want the spray to be. So right now I'm in like the mist mode, but you can also change it to like a little squirt like inside the rims. So after you spray it down with the solution, you just gotta wait 5 to 10 minutes or until the water kind of turns a little purple. And that's like you can start using the brush to kind of scrape it off a little bit. But if it's still kind of dry, just apply a little bit more. Just gotta scrape it like this. After that, you can use a high pressure washer to rinse it off, or if you don't have that, you can just use a regular water hose. And at the end, you just want to dry it off with the microfiber cloth that we have.